Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Soma from DCreato. Today in this video, I'll show you two easiest way to make gradient buttons without using any plugins, without using Elementor Pro, without using any single line of code. Is not it interesting? So let's start the video. So if you are bored using of this type of one styles buttons, you can see here if I'm hovering, so one color is available. So you have to use this gradient buttons. If I'm just close this Elementor bar, if I'm scroll down, you can see this gradient color is fill up after hovering. Is not the just cool effect. So in this video I'll show you step by step that how you can make this type of buttons without using any single line of code or anything, just existing the methods we have to use in Elementor. So I'm deleting this button again, so delete this button. Then we have to place as usual one button, we have to place button widget. I'm placing there. Now click on this button and then change the text. I'm changing the text like gradient from the first, and then go to the style tab and make the color to transparent. You can make it transparent, but I am not using transparent. I'm making as usual the theme color. So this is the theme color. If I'm hovering, so after hovering the color will be like this. So if I'm hovering like this. Now go to the border, box shadow. So as you can see that this is the box shadow, so click on the box shadow, and then this is the features to make gradient buttons. So now we will tell that how you can make this gradient using this box shadow. So let me show you step by step. At first, position should be click on this position and then click on inset. Now the black shadow, as you can see that the black shadow is now inline. Now we have to spread, we have to make the spread like that, and blur will be like 0. As you can see that if I am increasing the spread, the shadow will be more in line to the text, right? So we have to make the spread to 0 before using this color. So I'm using the color, so I'm changing the color like this and make the color solid and the sky color. Now spread will be like this 0, and then the horizontal will be increasing. So after giving the horizontal, and as you can see that if I go to the spread now and make the blur and spread, you can adjust and play around with this, and you can adjustable with your effect. So if I am hovering now, as you can see that this is the cool hover effect with the gradient. Is not it awesome? Without using any single line of code, without using any pro plugins, without using also Elementor Pro, you can make the gradient button using this box shadow in build features of the Elementor free version. So that's the process how you can make your gradient button using this existing method of box shadow. Now you can control over that. If I go to the border dash and make some 35 pixel border, you can see that this is also applicable, and go to the content and make the size to be medium. So it is also controllable. If I go to the size to large, medium, then you can see it is working fine. Now the second method of the making the gradient button is that go to the advanced tab, go to the element widget, and I'm deleting this button. So let me delete this, and now place the what button as usual. So drag the button over here, and then now click on this button, go to the style tab, and the color will be transparent and the text color will be black. I'm choosing the black. Now go to the advanced tab and make the background. If I now change the background, it will not work. Go to the advanced tab and make the background like this. Here you can see the gradient option. So you have to this gradient option to use the gradient button. Now if I click on this theme color and make the theme color like this and then like this. So now you will tell that what is this? The background color will be spread in the whole widget. So how you can fix that? Go to the layout and then widget and make it width, make it to inline auto. Now you can see that only the background is spread only with the buttons. Now you can see that the gradient button is reduced. But if you go to the style and make the border radius like the 30 pixel, anything you can do, but it will not work, because this background is the inline sections background. So you have to go to the advanced tab and go to the border. Now you can change the border from there. If you 35 pixel, then you can see this is working fine. So at first make the color of the text to white because it's looking ugly. Now it's looking fine. Now if you change the alignment, how you can change that? So if you change that from the content, and if you click on center, left, right, everything, anything, it will not work. So you have to change the position like that. If you change the position to absolute and then go to the offset and play around with that, it will come, and then you can customize with that. So if I'm just increasing this offset, you can see you also work. This is the button, up and down, also left and everything, as you can, and you have move. So that's the two easiest way existing methods to make the gradient buttons in Elementor free version. So if this video is helpful for you and you will be applied to your own website, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel to get more videos like Elementor WordPress. And if you want to get ideas about Elementor WordPress, comment down your ideas. I will cover the topic later. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.